All right, beautiful people. It's your TTA Pro, Mr. Doe, back with another episode. So النهارده هنركز على topic sentences, concluding sentences, and transitional sentences. On your test, مهما كان what test you are, it's a big part of the test. It is the hardest part of the test. الجزء اللي احنا هنتكلم فيه عامة. من بداية transitions, right? من بداية transitions. These are the hardest parts, right? These are the hardest parts. So we're going to take الباراجراف متكونة ثلاث أجزاء, three parts. Topic sentence, concluding sentences, and details. Today, we're going to focus on this. We're going to focus on this, and we're going to focus on the details. Not the details per se, transitional sentences, right? عشان خلاص خدنا transitions. So we're going to take transitional sentences. So in a nutshell, it's not too hard. It's not too hard. هنرجع لفكرة topic and focus. Okay, this is a critical skill احنا خدناها في الفيديو اللي فات or the class اللي فات. And so we said الباراجراف فيها topic معينة. The topic sentence بيحكم الباراجراف. الموجودة في topic sentence, for example, XYZ برضو موجودة في الباراجراف بنفس ترتيب XYZ. And then the concluding sentence برضو carries the main idea of the paragraph. يرجع للtopic sentence في البداية والtopic sentence اللي جاية. Right? I want you guys to also understand that the topic sentence with concluding sentences دولت, they're links. برضو they connect paragraphs. So let's say this paragraph 1, this paragraph 2, this paragraph 3, this paragraph 4, this paragraph 5. Okay? So paragraph 1 ده الintro وفيها المين idea بتاع الpassage. Paragraph 2, you have topic sentence number 1. Okay? And then you have concluding sentence number 1. Now, it connects برضو بال topic sentence اللي بعديها. So this is the link. So we continue. Concluding topic, concluding topic. So they link each other. So be given them in the paragraph اللي فات للparagraph الجديدة. And this is why we take all three together. Topic, concluding, with transitional sentences. عشان الtopic sentence with concluding sentence برضو ممكن يبقوا transitional. It helps us move from paragraph to paragraph. So let's discuss these. Now, احنا قلنا أهم skill A, on topic, on focus. Today, we are going to decide how to decide if a sentence should be added to a passage, how to decide if a sentence should be deleted, how to decide if a sentence should be changed, how to find the main idea of the paragraph or passage, and how to choose the best topic sentence or concluding sentence. Now, why are these questions so important? بيكونوا في حدود تلت الأسئلة في الامتحان الإنجليش بتاعتكم من تلت للنص. It's a big part. Big part. وده اللي بيوقف السكور. ده اللي بيوقف السكور. So by understanding this skill, you'll be able to go from an okay score to a stellar score. Keep this in mind. بس المشكلة مع طلبة كتير إيه؟ ده بيعتمد على reading. ده بيعتمد على reading. So here's a general guide, and عايزاكم تاخدوا بالكم بيها, step by step guide to answering these types of questions. قبل ما نتكلم عن ال questions نفسهم. Make sure you read the paragraph carefully. قبل ما أعمل أي حاجة, read the paragraph. Okay? Find the main idea of the paragraph. What is the point? What is the topic of the paragraph? ده أهم حاجة. So before you look, you need to decide what is the topic of the paragraph. عشان ده هيساعدنا إذا كان محتاجين جملة جديدة ولا نسيب الجملة زي ما هي. And then we check the answers. Does it support the main idea? Is it relevant to the topic? Does it make the paragraph better or worse? So general steps كده. أهم step نقرا الباراجراف and we identify the topic of the paragraph ومن غير نعمل كده we're going to be poof in the smoke. It's very important to follow step 3, this one specifically. This is like the most important part right here, right? Thinking about the question before looking at the answers. هيساعدكم. لو قرأت الباراجراف قلت كلمة عن التوبيك هيساعدكم جدا. المشكلة بتاع students ايه؟ Unfortunately بيشوفوا الباراجراف بيحاولوا يدوروا على keywords. مش شفتش هبل ازاي ده في حياتي. Honestly, something so frustrating. This is not keywords. I hope you guys put this in your heads. أنا مش بدرب طلبة عشان يجيبوا سكور متوسط. أنا بدربكم عشان يجيب سكور عالي. Right? So high scoring students ما فيش حاجة keywords ممكن يجي نص الأسئلة. لو عايزين يجيب 50% على الأسئلة دولت or 40% في الquestions دولت. So مثلا لو جه في الامتحان وجه 20 سؤال وجبت 40%, how much is 40 of 20? I think like 8 or something like that. If you're okay with this, استخدموا keywords. بس other than that, keywords مش هيعليكوا أكتر من 40% في category of these questions. Which again, زي ما احنا قلنا من تلت لنص الامتحان. Okay? So I want you guys to keep that in mind. And there are sometimes special cases about the whole entire passage. Sometimes سؤال ممكن مش يسألنا على paragraph, ممكن يسألنا على passage كلها. أغلب الوقت بيجي في آخر السؤال في الباسج. مش لازم نقرأ الباسج كلها. يا إما أقرأ بداية الباسج, right? أول paragraph, أول 2 paragraphs, or آخر paragraph. Okay, just keep that in mind. Just focus on the beginning or ends just one question, what for what. Now, let's go back to topic sentences and concluding sentences. Okay, زي ما احنا قلنا التوبيك بيجي في البداية, concluding في النهاية. الباراجراف عامة عامل زي ساندويتش. You'll find like, you know, في التوب عيش, البottom عيش, النص اللحمة, right? Same thing here, like a paragraph. What do? They express the main idea. The topic and concluding sentence should clearly state the main idea of the paragraph or a passage. They're usually general. They give general ideas, not specific details. Okay, that's very important. تعرفوا points دولت. So how best to choose the topic or concluding sentence? أول حاجة بنلاقي main idea. What is the main point of this paragraph or passage? ناخد بالكم من topic sentence احنا لازم نقررها. So الجزء اللي underline ده في الامتحان ما ينفعش أقراها عشان هيفسد how I think. You're always looking for general statements and you're always making sure that it fits. Okay? It should fit logically with other sentences. Now, let's check out this example. Sorry about the weird format. I was coding it earlier today and it kind of like, it was acting all weird with me and stuff like that. You know, it is what it is, right? Let's check out this example. Which most effectively concludes the passage. So this is a concluding sentence, right? So ده جاي هنا في الآخر. So احنا قلنا ايه هو main points that concluding sentence. It needs to be general. It needs to fit the topic. Okay, remember that. لازم يمشي مع topic في paragraph. And we also said that it needs to be no details. ابعدوا عن details, right? Space exploration has led to many incredible discoveries and advancements. Our focus هنا في topic sentence عشان topic و concluding sentence أغلب الوقت مرتبطين ببعض. That in mind as well, right? They're usually connected. So here it's telling me space exploration, right, it gets discoveries and advancements. أشوف الباقي details. It has allowed us to learn more about our universe, develop new technologies, even search for the possibility of life. Again, it has allowed us, right? كل ده بيتكلم عن advancements of space research. Through missions to the moon, Mars, and beyond, we have gained a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. Again, more information about احنا بنتعلم, we learn about space. So we need a concluding sentence. So قبل ما أشوف الإجابات أنا بفكر في التوبيك plus focus بتاع الباراجراف. بيجي في التوبيك sentence, بيجي في details. And what is the topic? It's all about space. What is the focus? Discoveries. صح? So now I'm looking at my answer choices. Now when I'm looking at my answer choices, it needs to discuss space discoveries. Without doing so, then I know I have a problem. Once you guys tried this, what do you think the answer could be? Okay, Marco. So when you break it down, you say, oh, أنا محتاج دلوقتي topic, I need focus, الtopic كذا. So إجابتي لازم يبقى شبه الtopic. We're not using keywords, Nora good. We're not using it. We're talking about the same topic. I thought I want to give a Safi keyword, mister, so I can use keyword. It's because it's easy. Okay? You guys don't talk like that. It's the unthinking, right? See, Kenzie, no, that's not the point of your sentence. Okay? That's not, I hope you didn't follow keywords. Read the meaning of your sentence, ya Kenzie. Does it have a similar discussion point as the paragraph? Right, Mrs. Bassen? Because we said the topic and focus, space, discoveries, right? Look at answer B, Mrs. Kenzie. What does this focus on? It focuses on space, but what is the focus? Or the topic is space, but what is the focus? Money, right? So it's a costly endeavor. No. Bardu, you can say tone. Half the sentence does appear. It's covered by the title. What title? Are you talking about up here? Huh, it's weird. Oh, I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, so yeah, it's interesting to see the future space exploration promises more exciting discoveries. We're continuing the conversation, right? So that's one way. Look at it. That's a concluding sentence. No topic sentence of Salpega. You're taking the same steps. You're taking the same steps, right? So if you take the steps, what are you doing? What is the main idea, right? That's the first thing you do. The passage is about exciting possibilities. Which answer is related to that? Answer C. So the others are answered incorrectly. These are the reasons for self-study students. Now we're going to discuss, I'm going to, wait 1 second. Okay. Another thing we're going to discuss is relevant or irrelevant information. Sorry, it's such a weird format in answer choices, right? Relevant and irrelevant information. Basically, what we're going to have is a random text here, and it's going to underline a sentence, right? Usually sentence mungkin you have a detail, mungkin sentence that you have a topic sentence, mungkin sentence that you have a concluding sentence, any sentence in the paragraph. And so it's going to ask you this type of question. The writer is considering deleting the underlined sentence. Should it be kept or deleted? We take the same steps اللي بناخدها مع topic sentence or concluding sentence or transitional sentence. And what are these steps? We read the paragraph. الباراgraph كلها except the underlined portion. ده مش هقراه. I take the same steps I followed. I find the topic and focus of the paragraph. And then I check the sentence. Does it have the same topic? Does it have the same focus? Okay. If yes, I choose the answer that says adds detail. If no, I choose the answer that says, or معناها, it's off topic. Okay, I want you to try this. Okay, Marco, good? That's the only reason out of fikr you keep information. You keep information because it provides a detail. And you delete information because it's off topic. Okay, Marco, okay, percent. Off topic or off focus, either or. Okay, Kenzie. Mrs. Nora? Again, let's read the paragraph. The sport of basketball was invented by Dr. N. He created the game as an indoor activity for students. Basketball quickly gained popularity. What is the topic of the paragraph, Yanura? topic موجودة في every sentence. The topic must be in every sentence عامة, by there are 90% of sentences. Basketball. طيب, what's the topic of your sentence بقى يا نورة? You're not taking steps. لسه بنحل بالسنس. What's the topic of your sentence يا Mrs. نورة? السنتنس اللي بنسأل عليها. في الحل you get lazy. Okay? You just want the easiest and fastest way. لو طلبت منك التوبيك قلت لي basketball. What about the sentence اللي بنسأل عليها? What's the topic? Is the topic basketball? No. Then it's going to be deleted. It distracts from the paragraph's focus and popularity of basketball. شايفين ازاي برضو the correct answer? It gives you the topic of the paragraph أساسا when you say delete. So it's really important نعمل كده. Really important نعمل كده. Okay. Now again, here, these are the steps, right? These are the steps. Transitional sentences. So transitional sentences are quite tricky. Okay. هو متجمع شوية مع transitions, but not in the same way, right? And what I mean is a transitional sentence moves us from one idea to another idea. زي transitional word, صح؟ So sentence نفس الحاجة, بيغير التوبيك, بيعمل shift للتوبيك. عشان احنا قلنا لو التوبيك sentence بيكلمني عن XYZ, صح؟ في الباراجراف بالترتيب هيبقى عندي XYZ. بس عشان اروح من X ل Y I transition. That's good writing. اروح من Y ل Z, I transition. So a transitional sentence reading بقى حسب السؤال. حسب السؤال. So if the question tells me the information that follows, وأغلب الوقت هيقول لكم follows, right? عايزين the information that follows. You're reading. Your focus is the topic and focus بتاع الجملة اللي بعديها. لو بيقول لي from the previous information, your topic and focus is الinformation اللي قبليها. And if you're telling me from the previous to the following, it'll be both, right? It'll be both. So context is key. Make sure you read the information. Okay, don't be fooled by transitional wording. Don't be fooled by these. Right? Some of them won't have transitions. عادي. هدف, a transitional sentence. هدف, transitioning to information. Right? هدفها إيه? To change the ideas. Okay, so be careful there. You're following that. And then look for clues. You know, ممكن في cause and effect. ممكن في contrast. ممكن في عكس. ممكن في extra detail. Read aloud. Sometimes reading it out loud بيساعدكم تسمعوا. Let's practice. Let's try this one here. Right? So I think this is the sentence. No, this is the sentence. So it's going to be added here. I'm being so retarded right now. This is the sentence. No. The sentence is missing, so ignore no change. Damage option. Right, so we're inserting the sentence here. I forgot to underline which. I forgot to underline which. It's okay. So again, look at it. We're transitioning from one thing to another. We're moving. All right, Kenzie, good. Marco, good. Okay, Nora, you send good. Everybody hit me with the answer B. Okay. Let's drill. Let's drill, beautiful people. So in theory, it's quite easy. Hopefully in practice too, it'll also be. It's a type of topic sentence. بيسألنا على focus of the question, right? Right. So هنا بيسألنا given all choices are true, which one would be most relevant to the main focus of the essay? Be smart. احنا قلنا ايه؟ نقرا الباراجراف. Ignore this underlined or highlighted portion دلوقتي مش هقراها. ما يجي اقرا الباراجراف بدور على ايه؟ The topic and focus, meaning بدور على main idea. So the question I choose supports the main idea of the paragraph. هنا بيسألنا على main focus, so it is a main idea question. It's a real question here, huh? I give nothing but real questions. بالنسبة للتطبيق, so you guys can see how it appears. So which one here gives us the main focus? Marco good, Kenzie good. Isan good. What's the main idea of the paragraph يا نورا؟ هل لسه ماشيين بالكيوردز؟ واضح انت شايفه هنا exhibition وشايفه هنا exhibition وقلت ده الإجابة. That has to stop. What's the main idea؟ لو سمحت. What's the topic and focus? That's really important to identify that. من غير كده هنجيب الإجابات غلط. نجيبهم صح ساعات great. احنا مش عايزين ساعات, right? Yeah, okay, what are we saying about the Gorilla Girls? So the topic is Gorilla Girls. What are we saying about the Gorilla Girls now? Okay, we have to listen in English شوية Mrs. Nora. احنا بنقول يعني Gorilla Girls في paragraph. حبيبتي في الباراجراف يا حبيبتي في الباراجراف. انا ماليش دعوه بالسنتنس, اوكي؟ مش عايز السنتنس, بقول الباراجراف. انت مش مركزه معايا. The girls protested sexism and racism. Okay? Without knowing this هنجيب الإجابة غلط. وهنا برضو they protested. برضو the protesters they protested against sexism and racism. ضد العنصرية وضد لا انت بتقولي ايوه عارفة ده بس ما قلتليش انت مش عارفة ده. لا ما تقوليش ايوه عارفة ده بعد اذنك. لا انت مش عارفة, عشان كده جبناها غلط. لو كنت عارفة كنت قلتي لي. Please be honest يا شباب. It's not about أنا عارف ومش عارف. You didn't tell me. You don't know. That's when you have to be honest, right? So they protested sexism. They protested racism. They protested. The only thing اللي علاقة بالsexism and racism were unfair treatment. Answer B, right? So of the 166 artists displayed, almost all were white. This is racism they protested against. 16 were women. This is the sexism. عشان بيقول لي of the 166, only 16 were women. Okay, let's try another one here. I think this is a topic sentence. All right, let's do this, guys. مش عايز اسمع ايوه انا عارف ومش عارف ايه يا جماعه، ما اجي اسالكم قولوا لي. مش عارفين نقول مش عارفين. Let's try this one. Read the paragraph الأول and then decide الباراجراف الديتيلز دول بيركز لي على كذا topic وكذا focus. لازم نقرا الباراجراف، محدش يستعبط ويستهبل ويقرا لي الجمله ويعمل نفسه ذكي بعد اذنكم. Something I hate too. And that's how we get really low scores. بعدين بنقول الامتحان صعب. لا احنا كسلانين. Marco good. Kenzie good. Lisan good. Obviously, that's a very big problem, Mrs. Nora, right? So my first question ليكي انت فهمتي ايه في الباراجراف؟ What is the paragraph about? قبل ما نفهم الانسرز لازم نفهم الباراجراف. What is the main idea? Chat, please, or microphone. Mrs. Nora? Hello, hello, hello.
انه هي قدمت في كذا مدرسة وما قبلتهاش عشان آه درجاتها وحشة في ال biology and chemistry.
Okay, so لما اجي اسألكوا what is the paragraph about? Okay, مش عشان درجاته وحشة. مش عشان درجاته وحشة. ليه اترفضت؟ So we have to understand from the details. You have a big part of it. ناقص لك بقى الجزء اللي بيقول لنا ليه هي اترفضت. So reread the paragraph عشان انتي بس قرأتي أول جملة، صح ولا لا Mrs. نورا؟ So نقرأ أول paragraph ما بيأكلش عيش. We need to read the full paragraph. هنا at the time none of the schools she applied to accepted women. اترفضت عشان she's a woman. Our answer is C. Mink knew about sex discrimination firsthand. Sex discrimination معناها إيه؟ معناها, she's a woman. So اترفضت بسبب she's a woman. Oh, that's kind of cool. I actually forgot about this. Oh, that's kind of cool too. I forgot about all this. Huh. Let's try the next one here. Did I do this to her? Oh, no, I didn't do it here. Okay, so this one, I'm sorry, you can't do this one. Sorry about this, guys. You can't do that one. This one you can do. Topic sentence. And this is the original answer. And it goes in no change there. Should show up, should have, but guess not. So remember, نقرا الديتيلز دولت. Kenzie, no? So be careful here with transitions and conjunctions. As a local, this is really important. Really important الكلمة ديت. عشان transition conjunction بيوريكوا relationships or ideas between relationships. هنا for example, though بيورينا عايزين عكس. Right? Marco, good? It's the last question we're going to do today. Hassan, no? Mrs. Nora? Now, it's really important, this phrase here. We need a contrast, huh? We need a contrast here. So it doesn't feel like an ocean, though. That means the previous sentence, the answer is D. With 22,400 square miles, Lake Michigan looks like an ocean. It doesn't feel like an ocean, though. So this gives us the positive negative contrast. لازم يبقى عندنا بسبب conjunction that, by the way. Okay, we're gonna wrap up right now. I want to say do this for homework. I want you guys to finish this for homework. So that way نشوف محتاجين نقعد حصة زيادة على الاكتيفيتيز دولت او الفكرة ديت ولا لا. Okay, so I want you guys to do that for homework. على الحصة الجاية يوم الجمعة. Questions before we go. Thank you for coming. You can learn anything. Bye.